everybody, welcome. Buckle up, it's gonna be a crazy day of eating vegan all day like we usually do. So hello. No, he said no pictures please before breakfast. He's gonna have his breakfast now too. In case you didn't realize, it's breakfast time. I'm getting out my Oatly because I'm gonna have my coffee, my second cup of the day. You didn't see the first one. Sorry, I was barely awake. And I didn't know we were doing this today for sure. But this is my second cup of the day with some oat milk in it. If I'm feeling fancy, like maybe in the afternoon if I have a third cup, I'll probably froth it in my Arancino. So this is so delicious. Gotta love oat milk. It just, it's my favorite one of the non-dairy milks, especially for coffee. Because it's thick and it's rich and it froths really well. I think it froths the best out of any of the ones, except for maybe soy. Maybe soy is equal to oat milk, but I really prefer the taste of the oat milk. I'm having a pretty simple breakfast this morning. I got 2 slices of Dave's Killer Bread, white done right. Sometimes I have the 21 seed one. Today I'm feeling a little melt in your mouth. Although his white bread is not like Wonder Bread. It's just not melt in your mouth. That's why I get his white bread. Even my mom really likes it, and she doesn't even like white bread. I've got her hooked on it. So I'm having it with this natural peanut butter, which is just peanuts. And I got the chunky, and the reason I got the chunky is because I'm the only one that likes it, so I get the smaller one for me. And this is mostly chunky nuts with very little peanut butter in it. I don't remember it being that chunky. Maybe I got an unsmushed jar, but there it's mostly just peanuts. I might as well have just taken the canister of peanuts and poured it on my toast, but it's pretty good. And I got some natural blueberry fruit spread. I had to use it up. Otherwise I would have cracked into one of my other like blackberry ones, or I prefer the fruit spreads over jams or preserves because I don't really like all the added sugar. So this one is just mostly fruit, just a little bit of sugar. But that is breakfast today. Coffee, mess. It's a big mess, and I'm sure my dogs are gonna come over and say, can we share breakfast with you before we have our breakfast?
Hey guys, so I just finished my morning workout. I started my day with a nut butter filled Cliff Bar. It was the chocolate peanut butter one. You know, I like to get that in before my bike ride. But anyway, lately for my actual breakfast I've been having either oatmeal or a smoothie, but today I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Not like a crazy amount, but today I'm gonna have nice cream because I want something cool, but I also want to be able to just like eat it, because sometimes when you have a smoothie, yes, it's delicious and it's filling, but you don't get that satisfaction of like eating it, you know what I mean? So I want to like eat something, and also I want to eat strawberries too, and instead of making like a strawberry banana smoothie, I want to actually eat strawberries. So I'm gonna make some banana nice cream, and I'm gonna add the strawberries on top. So we have 2 bananas in here. I put them in a little bit early so that they can kind of defrost for a second, just so it's a little bit easier on the blender. I'm gonna be adding just a splash of vanilla extract, some PB Fit. Oh, this is everything in either a smoothie or nice cream. I tried using this instead of actual peanut butter in my oatmeal. Not quite the same. Not as good in oatmeal, because you really need like that oiliness in the oatmeal. But this is perfect for smoothies and nice cream. And then I have this almond milk here, which I'm gonna be using as my like base thing or whatever. So let me get this all in the blender and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I didn't put too much liquid. I'm gonna try this on the ice cream frozen yogurt setting. We'll see. We'll see, fingers crossed. This looks quite liquidy, so I think I failed. Looks like I'm having a smoothie. But I have been munching on the strawberry separately. I might continue to do that for a minute. Sometimes you just fail, right? Put too much almond milk. It is what it is.
All right, it's 1 o'clock. I started this iced green tea. It's got green tea and lemonade, half and half. So that's kind of cool. I guess it's got stevia in it and a little bit of cane sugar. So it's 80 calories. That's not too bad. I usually don't drink sugared drinks, but I really do enjoy this brand of iced tea. It's organic. It tastes really nice. It's a nice pick-me-up in the middle of the day, kind of. Well, it's not the middle of my day. It's probably more lopsided, but I might bring a snack. Should I bring a snack? I really want to have a piece of fruit, but I gotta run out and do some errands. So maybe I'll bring like a made good bar or something.
Okay.
I'll have a made good bar. Are you gonna have an apple?
I think so.
So Maddie's gonna have one of these beauties right here, and I guess we'll be back at lunchtime. Don't eat anything else until lunch.
Okay.
Because I'm taking the camera with me.
Time. Yay! I just wanted to let you guys know my smoothie this morning, even though it was a nice cream fail, it tasted delicious.
Why was it a fail?
Because I wanted to make an ice cream and I still put too much almond milk, so it was very smoothie-like. But these things happen. Okay, so for lunch, I'm having this whole bottom of the bowl is covered in kale. I freaking love kale. I'm really embracing it right now. And I'm having some Wholesome Pantry organic goddess dressing on top, which is amazing. And then I have some basic pasta left over from last night. What's the sauce?
Paisana.
Paisana. And
Marinara.
what is this pasta called again? This
Cavatappi.
Right, cavatappi. Love. So with that, I have several, what is this, Trader Joe's?
Yeah.
I don't know what anything is.
That is Aldi meatballs.
Aldi meatballs and one Gardein meatball. That was what was left from dinner last night. So it's
Mine's
looking
still
pretty good.
cooking.
Yours
I'll
is still
show you in
cooking.
just 1 second. All right, here we go. Here's my lunch. Sean's having pretty much the same as me. Some leftover pasta and some steamed broccoli with garlic, a little olive oil, some Himalayan sea salt, as well as just a little bit of this Just Thousand Island drizzled over the top, and some roasted garlic Italian bread or ciabatta. So that is lunch.
Snack time. Whoa!
Apple.
How about an apple? Wow. Nice. You're having your apple now. I had mine earlier, so now I'm having some off the eaten path chickpea veggie crisps. These are my fave, guilty pleasure. Ah, they're
Sean's
so freaking
having
good.
a great time.
Yeah, he is. These, we get them at Sam's Club, and hey, bud. They'll be around for a while, and I'm like so hooked on them, and then they take them away. They're so good. You can't just have one. They take them away, but they just came back this week. Ah! Okay. So nice. All right, so we're gonna enjoy our snack. We'll see you for dinner.
Oh, it's taco night.
Woo! Here's one already assembled.
I'm having, not this. Right, I'm having blue corn chips on like a nacho salad type thing.
Well, this is the full picture.
So we've got some soy curls with kidney beans and chopped tomatoes and mild chili peppers. And with some taco seasoning. We've got some refried beans. We've got some dirty rice. Dirty Nolan's rice. It's just a mix from Aldi. And I water it down half and half with some regular basmati.
Yeah.
And then we've got some hemp seed yellow sauce.
Yum.
This is made with a little harissa, about a cup of hemp seeds.
I feel like we've made
lemon
multiple
juice.
videos.
Yeah, we have a lot of videos on our yellow sauce.
We have tomatoes.
Beautiful fresh
A
tomatoes.
little bit of guac.
If you like.
Yeah, so it's all good things. This is a freaking log.
It is. We used to make these and grill them. Remember when we grilled them?
Yeah, those were good.
And they were like Chipotle ones?
Mm-hmm.
That's dinner. My computer just restarted.
Okay, get your food.
Yep. Looks like it's dessert.
I thought you were using that as the thumbnail to show what we ate for the whole
No.
day.
No, alls we had was
5
Unreal peanut M&Ms. And
Are those also made by Unreal?
Yeah.
Oh, Unreal.
Right?
Yeah, so I'm really full from dinner still. Normally I would have a more elaborate dessert tonight, but I'm just gonna have one of these peanut butter cups. And I had 2
Well, you're
M&Ms.
better than me because I'm having 5 of these.
I think you can handle it.
And 1 peanut butter cup.
Yeah. It's like,
Yeah.
but like, my day doesn't feel complete if I don't have
Gotta have a
anything
little
for dessert.
sweet.
I need a little something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a sweet tooth. Yeah.
That's it, kids. That's what we ate today.
That's what we eat today. Oh, I'm
He's dreaming.
puppy because he's so cute.
He's dreaming.
What are you dreaming about?
Watch out, he's gonna take your head off.
I know, he gets very upset if you disturb him while he's sleeping.
Yeah.
He's really in it, man.
Yeah.
He's getting up. Good boy, I'll let you dream.
Oh, he just did a little bunny hop.
Oh. I hope it's a happy dream.
I hope so. Hope he's not.
Around in the yard.
Hope he's not running from some crazy person.
Yeah, that's me.
No.
All right. Well, anyway. Hello. That's what we ate today. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what you've been eating. If you have like a favorite food that you've been loving lately. And yeah, we'll see you guys again next time. So until then, much love.